Hi everyone. Okay, so I got my Spellbinders in. Oh, I've been looking forward to getting this one. This one is filled with controversy. I have been reading all the comments about this, and I'm like, people are just mean. People are mean, you guys. If you don't like something, it's okay, but you don't have to be so negative and mean about it. Jeez. But this is the small die of the month, which people are loving. And it is fun and pretty, and my husband's working, so that is on in the other room, and my door's open. But this one is beautiful. Their design team did an amazing job with that one. This one is the one people are hating, which, okay, it's okay, but to be mean, geez, you know, you're not gonna like every single thing that comes out, but it's an abstract. It's abstract art. But, you know, I don't know. I feel I could be creative with it, but I haven't done anything with it yet. But so everyone canceled their subscriptions because of this one item. I'm like, you guys are crazy. I actually added. I canceled my old subscription, the Kit and Caboodle, and I got the next best one because I really want this amazing Paper Grace set. And for, what is it, $12 more, I added this. I'm like, okay, so for this kit, for the small die, large die, and the APG is what they call it, die of the month, plus the card kit, I pay $85, and that includes shipping. And I think it's worth it. But look at how beautiful this is. I watch her YouTube videos to show how to put these things together, because all of her stuff is very intricate, and I watch them and I'm in love with them. And then the next controversy is this card kit. This card kit I thought was so cute, and people were just hating on it. Like, do you have nothing better to do but be mean? They're like, it's kiddie-ish. It's for kids. We don't have young grandchildren. We don't have young kids. It's like, geez, you don't have to like it. But I just think it's cute. It's a little weird, but it's a little cute. I love it because I think it's so weird. It looks like it's just staring into your soul. So I love it. I don't know. I love things. But I try to be a positive person, you guys. I try to be. I try not to be so negative. You know why? Because I'm alive. My parents are alive. My children are good. My husband's good. I have puppies that have the best life. And you know what? You've got to find positive in the world. Because if you want negative, you can sure as heck find it immediately. Jeez. So 10 cards, 10 envelopes. Those are standard. Standard are the foam dots. And standard are the papers. Not the same, not the colors, but you always get the papers. Which, I love the gold. The gold is cool. So you get black, and you get purple. I just think it's beautiful. See, it's a good rainbow. I love that I love that. The colors are just beautiful. So this right here is the dies for the unicorn. That's for the die for the unicorn right there. That's what that's for. And I think you get, this is how you put, oh, and you also get Stay Golden. You also get that sentiment with this kit, with this die set also. I just, look at how many dies you get, you guys. And I love, oh, and this is standard, the tape. I love the variety you get. Especially the ephemera. The ephemera is fun. I'm going to be playing with this kit. So check me out on Instagram, because I will be posting the videos there. Oh, you know what? In fact, I might do 10. You know what? I'm probably going to do 10 cards. Yeah, that's my goal. So wait for the end of the video, because my PL selfie is broken. So I can't PL right now. So I got to find something else to fill my crafty time. And this will be it. I want to make cards because they're so cute. Look how cute these are. Look at the little clouds with hearts. Sweet moments. Love will save the world. Make a wish. florals. Each moment with you is magic. Oh, look at that. Major heart eyes. You surprise me every day. I love the colors. I just do. I love the colors. Oh, that's pretty. Unicorn Squad. Oh, I love that. Oh, dare to be different. You are so weird. That's why I love you so much. How fun. Oh my gosh, you guys. Whew. So on stinkies. Whew. I saw the pad too and I loved it. You guys have an option with Spellbinders to skip a month. So you don't have to cancel. You can just skip a month if you don't like the kit. How can you not like the kit? It just brings smiles to your face. I love it. I love color though. I love color. I love brights. I love brights. You're never going to make everybody happy. You really aren't. In life, in crafting, in any kind of business, you're not going to. But I thought it was super fun. I love brights. Other people like muted. Like the Civil War colors, I can't find any creativity in that. Would I be negative about it? No, but I would not. I wouldn't choose it. So I don't prefer that. In fact, I wanted to quit Spellbinders last year because the colors were so dark, really dark. And that was a little depressing. But I didn't. I stuck with them, and then look it. They bring out all this happy stuff. And look at the dimension on that one. Is that not cute? I love the unicorns and rainbows. Oh, look at the sentiments, you guys. Those are great. Oh, look at the sentiments. I just love that. Good times ahead, happiness. Oh. The gold foil, too, is fun. Oh, here's the stamp set. And, aw, look it. And you can create your own rainbow here. Oh, cute. You were born to sparkle. Cute. Oh, now the best part, the ephemera. Oh, I can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. Let's put it here. Let's put it here. Oh, you get 2 of all of them. I'm going to go buy them. Let me skip to end because I want to go buy them really quick. That way I'm not keeping you here forever. Oh, look at that one, you guys. So good. Oh, I love this. This is just beautiful. Birthday. Oh, I'm going to have fun. I'm going to have fun. Original. Oh, look at the paintbrushes. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at, and you can put the paintbrush on their hair. Like, look at, you put it here, put it here. Cute. Girl power. Oh, I love that. Look at it. It's like a spin your wheel kind of thing. Gonna focus. Yep. And adjust. Oh, cute. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look at the kitty cat sleeping. Let's see. Kitty cat sleeping. Love my tags. Love those. Notebook paper. Oh, I love that. That one's cool. Magical. Stay close to people who feel like sunshine, right? Exactly. Stay around people who are nice. Look at that. That is, I think, my favorite. That is awesome. Look at the colors, and it has gold foil around everything. Oh, love that. Oh my gosh. Nope. I love when they put books. Oh, look at the books. Love. You have a big heart. Oh, look at the bookworm. Oh my gosh. Wow. I hope they come out with a book set pretty soon. That'd be fun. Movie night, beauty queen. Oh, cute. Oh, I got a picture. Oh, I have a picture of Cheyenne with a mask on. Maybe I'll tan some of these too. Okay, camera, come on. Focus. Let's see. I don't know how to focus it, you guys, so it has to take its time. Oh, it's the gold foil. Oh, I love this. The stars. Oh, look at love. Love, love, love. Happy, unique, rainbows, stay. Oh, look at the unicorns. Oh, look at the big old love. Oh, I like that one. Hearts. paintbrushes. Ooh, look at all the stars you get. I love getting stars and hearts and stuff. It's awesome. Sassy. Oh, look at the rainbow. How cute. Caring, beautiful. Hashtag. Smart. Loved. Oh, look at super. Oh, look at the unicorn. Oh, that's just beautiful. Creative. Hooray. Forever online. Loved. Laugh out loud. Oh my god. Oh, I love this. Okay. I love this kit. I do. Okay, so stay tuned. I will video 10 cards. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. Okay, so I'm back with my 10 cards. I'm going to show them to you real quick. This is my mess. I just got done. I have to go make dinner, so I have to hurry. So this is number 1. There we go. We'll put it right here. This is super birthday. Happiness is this. Make a wish. You color me happy. I haven't made cards in so long, you guys, but it was so fun. Magical and loved. Happy birthday. Amazing, magical. Let's grow power on the back. And then the unique, be the very best version of you. Favorite, each moment with you is magic. It's just super fun. I didn't do any dice because I try not to, since I love weekends. Fantastic. I don't use any dies. I don't use any of my special dies. I don't use the dies that come with the kit. I just want you guys to see what you can do with just the basic card kit. And this is, I mean, and I still have a ton of ephemera left. So plenty to make more. So, alright guys, take care. I will see you all next month. Bye.